Social media marketing basics for growth. Creating a solid social media strategy is the foundation for successful digital marketing. By defining your goals, target audience, and brand voice, you can effectively engage with users on various social media platforms. Defining your audience and content creation. Understanding who your potential customers are will guide your content creation efforts and help you tailor your messaging to resonate with them. By creating valuable and engaging content, you can build brand awareness. Leveraging social media platforms. With a multitude of social media platforms available, it is essential to choose the right channels that align with your target audience and marketing goals. Whether you opt for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, or TikTok, each platform offers unique opportunities for audience engagement. Enhancing brand awareness and engagement. Engaging with your audience on social media is key to building brand awareness and fostering customer loyalty. Responding to comments, messages, and mentions shows that you value your customers and care about their feedback. Measuring success with social media analytics. Tracking the performance of your social media campaigns is essential for evaluating their effectiveness and making data-driven decisions. Social media analytics tools provide insights into key metrics such as reach, engagement, and conversions, allowing you to optimize your marketing efforts for maximum impact. Conclusion. In conclusion, mastering the basics of social media marketing is essential for achieving growth and success in the digital realm.